Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how you can change your password in Windows 10. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. Okay, so first let's go ahead and go to the search icon right over here. So yours might be here located on the bottom, but I changed my interface, so mine is located up over here. But you can click on the search icon right here and you can just type change password and hit enter. So this is going to take you to your settings right here, and here under sign in options you have several choices. Now what you want to do is click on Windows Hello PIN. So let's click on this one. And here you have the option to change this one. So you can go ahead and click on change. And from here, you can type in your current PIN. And then you can type in your new PIN and you need to confirm that new PIN. Now, if you want to include letters and symbols to your PIN, you can simply click on this box right here and you can type in your old PIN, type in your new PIN with characters like letters and symbols, and confirm that PIN. Now, after all of that, you can click on OK and you can log out from your system. Now, once you log back in, you will be required to enter the new password or the new PIN that you created. Now, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.